What's up guys, Nathan here, and welcome to a different kind of video we're doing today. I'm actually going to be showing you how to make some good YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. And yeah, let's start off. It's all using like free software and free websites in order to make it. And you can really make some good ones if you put some real effort into them. You can probably make some real good thumbnails, but obviously mine, I don't like make as much effort as I could, but if I really want to sometimes, so I'll try and make some really good ones. So we're gonna go to goes down here. This one, File Hippo, good website for getting free software. And as you can see, these are all the ones it recommends you get. uTorrent is obviously for downloading movies. Avast is antivirus, and you've got some more. Seekling is one I have. It's really good. It helps clear space from the hard drive and removes unneeded files, and also scans for viruses and stuff. So we're actually going to paint.net. Now I think there may be other people using these, but I want to just show you how as well, because I want to show you how I make my YouTube thumbnail as well. So yeah, you want to download it. It doesn't, it's freeware and you want to download it, but I'm not going to because I already have it. And it is very good. It's a very good free piece of software, especially, and there's a lot of effects you can use, not basic. It's better than using Windows Paint, which on Windows 8 is crap, because I don't know how to use it, pretty much. So we're actually going to go far up here. We're going to double click. Sorry if you're going to be typing on my laptop. And yeah, I don't know where the mic is on my computer. We're going to open recent because yeah. This is a background. As you can see, that's the file size you want to search for. And I already started recording this video about made some mistakes. So I'm not going to be using that one. And then we'll go this. This is the best size for a YouTube thumbnail, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. If you can correct me in the comments, if you search up on Google, it tells you. Then you have loads of backgrounds here, loads you can use to make nice looking backgrounds. I think the one I chose was too far down. Yeah, got loads. Lots of them are blue, which is nice. And so we've got that loaded up, and I'll tell you some basics of Paint.net now. Here are the effects. You can add lots of different effects. Like this is one I use. This one, it blurs the image. I'm actually going to do that now. I'm going to set it to 11. That's what I usually set it to. It blurs it slightly, but not so much that it completely, ruins the original shape of the image. And if you image, you can resize the canvas. So if you have a bigger image and you want to make it smaller, you can resize. You can rotate, do all kinds of stuff. Edit, you can paste, sort of, but that's all on it's all on this like bar up here as well. And this at least you got file, you got layers, even though that's there as well. And if these go away, you can, I think it's up here, you can press on them. Yeah, you can put them back. So if I get rid of history, press again, up there, it'll come back. So we've added the blur to the background. We're going to add a new layer. This is important, otherwise the image will have a really weird white background. And I don't think that is a problem anymore, but it used to be. So you want to create a new layer every time you add in a new picture or feature to your image. So we're going to go YouTube logo, and dot and PNG makes the image has a transparent background. So you can see this is the one I used in the old video. You can see it as the dots. This means it has no background. These little squares means it has no background. And if we can copy it straight off Google, like so, and paste. We'll keep the canvas size, otherwise it will make it bigger, and it'll have white edges like those, like on the image that I'm just about to paste in. What you want to do is you want to minimize it to the size you want, just like that. That's big enough. And I'm going to rotate it, so you left click and you spin it like that. And I want to move it kind of closer in, and probably make it smaller as well. That'll do. And now what I'm going to do to add a bit of, I know, this is what I usually do, and this is what I've seen in a lot of thumbnails, is I'm going to add in an explosion. I'm going to go to that pictures, I'm going to go to all the images I've used here. You want to go to this one, transparent explosion, and I'll copy, I'll close. You can find this on Google as well, I better show you. If you just go on explosion, transparent, it'll come up with some, I think, yeah, this is the one I use. As you can see, when you load it up, I think it doesn't have a background. Yeah, this is definitely, yeah, so it has the dots, it has the grid lines again. I don't know why I keep calling them dots. So yeah, we're going to minimize that. And what you want to do, if you want to go behind this image, you've got to click on the background and you've got to just paste, create a new layer. And as you can see, that one's below that one, so you want to go paste. We'll keep camera size again, and you want to rotate this to be sort of in line with that. And there you go. See, now, I don't know why, but I just feel it makes it look a bit better. And in fact, I'm going to show you a quick feature. If you just Control Z, you can get rid of it. So I want to move that a bit further into the corner. I can do so, and we'll create a new layer again. We'll just do that again. So just press Control Z if you want to undo any errors, and you can click up there as well. I'll click on that, and it will go back to that certain point you clicked on. We want to rotate it again, and we'll just go back into the corner like that. There we go. And then what I want to do is also, I just want to, I guess I want to add a thumbnail that I have made into that corner over there. So all I want to do is click on that one as well. You want to go into that corner, you want to paste again, make another like sort of one, another everything going on in that corner, and yeah, like that. I think that would do nicely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste above, I'm going to go back into my images, I'm going to find a thumbnail that I've used, and I'll use my how to fut, so 11 one, copy image, and we're going to paste it in. You can see it's quite big, but we can minimize it to a small size. I'm actually gonna, oh, which way should I put this one? I'll put it like this. This one is going to be very simple, but you can add all sorts of effects. I'll show you one. Actually, I'll give you an example of this one. So what I've done with this one is I've got the text off the website, and I've got these download these images on my card generator on my Foothead. Sure, if you found, I found these cards, the bronze, the silver, and the gold ones on the internet. And this is obviously a PNG image of the FIFA logo. And I've used the blur on the background, and again the text. I'll show you in a second. I can get rid of those annoying lines around the background now. And this is another one I made. This is my Battlefield 4 series that I've just started up today. A new episode is coming out. I uploaded about 30 minutes ago. And excuse me. I've done the same sort of thing apart from I put my face, and I've got the deal with it glasses on over my eyes, so it's pretty nice. It's not, it's just kind of a thumbnail I made. I don't think it's that great, to be honest. You gotta make better, as I've said, but I'm just showing you how I make mine. So we've got that going on. I think the background is really nice on this one. And then we're going to go to the final part, where you're going to go full text. I know, but it's the only site I actually use to make the text. It's the only one I've ever used. I haven't really looked anywhere else, to be honest. So you can select the template. I've got the Escape one, as you know, and I've just selected the font. You get loads of different fonts. You can go all these categories. I tend to use what's it called? A Huge, and it'll come up with like all these. And it just this is my favourite one at the moment. I've used lots of different ones before, and reset default. I don't know what it's doing. I'm going to go how to. Right, sorry about that one, guys. The recording stopped for some reason. So sorry for the abrupt ending. As I was saying, I was making this thumbnail. or this text. And then we're going to write good YouTube thumbnails. And you kind of want to get it in alignment, I guess. We have to look. We'll keep looking at the image, so I want to kind of get it to go along the top. So I probably want a longer top line and a slightly smaller bottom line. So we'll probably put good back up there. Maybe YouTube thumbnails down there. Does that work? How would that work? Well, they're the same length. Doesn't matter if they're the same length either. Back on the same line. Yeah, they're the same length. So probably for this one, you want to just you want to make. I'll probably put YouTube back up there, to be honest. And we'll move back along and put that back underneath. And you kind of want it to get the line up, so like it looks like the letters are evenly dispersed on both sides of the thumbnails bit. So like I can't really explain it very well, but you'll know what I mean. You'll see, as you can see, they're kind of like it's kind of like evenly I can't explain it. So we'll move quite a bit along that way, to be honest. Maybe one more will do. Yeah, looks fine. So there we have it. That's how you want to line it out, and then you can select the colour. I might do yellow for this one because yellow looks quite nice. So you want to select, go down here on the colour scale and select yellow. Sorry for the shouting. And you want to select yellow again. You want a kind of bright yellow, proper yellow colour. And no, it doesn't look right. You want to break it down a bit more. We'll make the yellow quite. There you go. So there you got it. And in the outline colour, we don't particularly want to be black. We should have it as probably a lighter blue. That'll look okay. Or maybe an orange. Maybe red, actually. Yep, that looks fine, but we want to make it a little less thick, so we'll go down to about 3. And then for this is a colour. This is something I've only recently started using. I'm going to add a blur. I want to add a heavy blur. I want to make it white because white makes it shine. I don't know what these do. So I'm going to from a bit because that's what I usually do, and it seems to work. Because here you can't really see the effect in this bit. But I haven't actually made the size right yet, so yeah, I haven't made the size right. So as you mean, it gives like a little shine on it. We're probably going to up the size of this. So we're going to up it to 100. See if that makes any difference. Let it go. If it's too big, then I'll make it a bit smaller. It's a bit too big. B90 will do. They don't like suddenly super big. Alright. So there you go. You use it to stretch it, you can usually fiddle around the size a bit. But I'm actually going to do something like this. Yeah, that'll do. So that's it. That's pretty much it. What I would personally do is I'd move the thumbnails bit down a bit further, but kind of limit on time at the moment. So this is going to be it, guys. And what you want to do when you save it is the usual file format I save as is a GIF. And it'll ask you to flatten the layers as well. So there you go. Don't know when this video is going to go up, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Cheers.